Hey dreamers, welcome back to Dream Free Art. It's Tina here again, and today I feel like I haven't been on camera in a while. Like, I've made a couple of videos, but it's all been voiceover work. I feel like I haven't actually been on camera in a while. So hey. So in the time that I've been working on other things, I had the great idea to come up with a new series for Dream Free Art, and it's called Painting on Stuff, painting on things, painting on something like that. I personally like painting on stuff, and I think that's what we're gonna go with. But Gabby suggested we call it painting on things. Leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think. So what this series is that I'm going to go into a variety of different stores. It could be anywhere from the Dollar Tree to the thrift store to anything in between, looking for different items that basically spark joy. And I know that that's kind of a minimalist term, and I am far from being a minimalist, but I'm an artist, and I look at something and I want to paint it, or I want to change it, I want to decorate it, I want to make it. So I'm going to apply that to this new series where I go into different stores and I find things that call to me, that make me want to decorate it, make me want to upcycle it, make it into something cool, and show off my artistic and creative skills. So the first store that we are going to is a.c.moore, and I am so sad. I love a.c.moore, but a.c.moore is closing, unfortunately. And so I went into a.c.moore the other day just looking for like the best crafting deals since they're going out of business, and I found these really great wooden miniatures that were calling to me, and they were saying, Tina, paint us. We need to be decorated. We need to be upcycled. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do. So, all right, let's get started. So here at a.c.moore, this is what's left in their wood projects section. But they did have a deal. It was 60% off. And if you buy 4 objects, then you got 2 more free. Most of these projects ended up being either 50 cents or 80 cents. And I ended up getting a few of them for free. Here are the wooden projects that made the cut. Some of them were a little damaged, like this rocking chair is missing its arms, and one of the beach chairs is missing the locking mechanism. But for just a couple of dollars and 10 items in total, I was really pleased with my finds. The first thing I'm going to paint are these cute little wooden beach chairs. Since I purchased 2 of this style beach chair, I decided to make them like a little set. And the theme is summer food type things. First chair, I'm painting half of it in this pretty pink color. So this chair, I'm going to make it into a watermelon themed. So now that I've painted the top half in pink, I'm going to paint the bottom half green. So now that the pink half and the green half are dried, I'm going to go ahead and add little black teardrop shapes to mimic the seeds in the watermelon. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of green paint, but mix it with a lot of white so that I get a really light shade of green. So basically, I'm adding these lines to make it look like the outside of the watermelon. Not really anything special or scientific to it. It's just kind of supposed to look like the outside of the watermelon. I'm going to continue that process all the way around the bottom half of the chair, but I really do like how the natural wood is peeking through the green, so I'm not going to mess with it too much because I do like that. All right, here is where things started to make a turn for the worst. I am an honest crafter, so I will always share with you the highs and the lows of my DIYs. This chair, I originally thought I was going to make a lemon slice chair. Yeah, I was so optimistic at this point. So I actually had Gabby help me on this one, and she sketched out the design of a lemon slice on this chair. But no matter whether I followed her design or I kind of went rogue and did my own to try and fix it up, I just could not get it to look like a lemon slice. I mean, this thing just kept going from bad to worse. I usually don't have projects that are just a complete flat out fail, but oh my gosh, I will never attempt to paint a lemon slice on a tiny wooden chair ever in life again. While I try to forget the horrors of that lemon slice chair, I'm moving on to painting the rainbow bench. You can tell that I was still slightly traumatized by the lemon slice chair because I kept forgetting to take the tag off the bench. So now that I've actually calmed down from how frustrated I was with that lemon slice chair, I'm going to start adding in the other colors from the rainbow. Still not 100% sure why I chose a rainbow theme for the bench. Could be that I needed something easy to do after that lemon slice incident, or just the fact that I love things that are bright and colorful. But it turned out super cute no matter what the reason was. So I'm all the way at the blue portion, almost completely finished with the bench, and there's that tag again, still there. I still haven't realized that the tag is still on the bench. So here's where I finally realized that the tag is still on the bench, when I get to my very last color. So I cut off the tag and then I continue to paint. So here it is, finished. It's bright, it's colorful, and of course Tiffany couldn't wait to make a TikTok with it. Moving on to the next chair, even though that lemon slice one is still haunting me. I'm actually really shocked at myself that I didn't make a leopard print chair sooner, but what better way than to use all of my leftover rainbow colors and make a rainbow leopard print beach chair. While I was working on this project, you can see Alex decided to join in as well. So he painted one of the lobster trap boxes that I got, and Gabby painted the other one. I've made rainbow leopard print on this channel before, so make sure you check out that video so you can see the step-by-step tutorial of exactly how I did it. I'm pretty obsessed with leopard print, and I almost always find a reason to either buy something leopard print to wear or make something leopard print. So I'm loving how this chair is really coming together, and it is just absolutely 100% just Tina through and through. I love it. Now that I have 3 chairs that I am completely in love with, it definitely built up my artistic confidence to come back and fix this lemon slice atrocity. And after some brainstorming, I finally figured out how I can still make this a matching set with the watermelon chair. It'll still be fruit related and it'll be adorable. So I'm gonna make this one a strawberry. I'm using a darker red for the color of the strawberry. It's helping to really hide all of those imperfections from the lemon slice incident. And as it's coming together, it really is starting to look like a strawberry. The red is a little bit thin, but I'm going to use a couple of coats to go ahead and help me hide every bit of the former life it used to have. So now I'm going in and adding the green leaf to the top of the strawberry. It's helping to cover up the last little bit of the yellow that was left on the chair. Next, I'm adding white teardrop-like shapes to the chair so that it kind of mimics the seeds in the strawberry. I didn't want to use black just because I felt like that would have been too similar to the seeds in the watermelon chair. So I used white instead. And then I outlined the leaf just to give it a little extra pop. So I'm going to add just a few more of the white seeds to the chair and I'm finished. Here are the 4 finished projects. I absolutely love the rainbow leopard chair. I love the watermelon chair. And of course, I love the bench. Not too crazy about the strawberry chair, but I do like it a whole lot better than I liked the lemon slice chair. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below if you want to continue to see projects like this. Until next time, dreamers, bye.